Yo, 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 what up, YouTube? This be your boy D Streets. Welcome back to D Streets Garage. Yes, sir. You already know what's going on. So go ahead and get to work on Joe. Riding earlier, messed around and ran over a sewer cap that was protruding up out of the ground. So, and you already know what happened. It got loud. So, pulled over after a while later because, you know, it was just crazy and obnoxious. So here's what we got going on. I'm gonna give y'all, take y'all a peek in the gander real quick. Matter of fact, let me just grab the board. Hold on. So I can give y'all a peek in the gander. All right, we down on the ground. Let's see what's going on real quick so I can show y'all. Okay. We'll up under Joe. Oh, that's the right side. So I'm assuming maybe I can get him. I think that clip got ripped off. I don't even see it. Yeah, damn. I might have to go back and try to find that. Sorry, y'all. I'm gonna have to go back and try to find that. I think it got ripped off. Hold on, let me go on the other side and take a look. Damn, yo. That's not going back on there. For sure, that's not. That's not going back on. Ah, fuck. Okay, yeah, I must have lost it soon after. Oh no, that's not good. Damn. Hey YouTube. Damn. That's bad. That's just the back. Oh shit. I don't even want to push on that too much. Damn. And that's allowing. Okay. We got another problem. It's okay. I know what to do. Just a small fix. You know, whatever. But I'm gonna put some on that temporarily. Y'all like, subscribe, hit the comment, share. Yes, sir.